In this video, I will show you how to do a live stream on a newly created channel.
I've been live streaming this today because I figured it'd be the best way I could get you all to watch.
Okay, fine.
There are so many channels doing live streams every day as I open YouTube.
We're going to step through exactly how to live stream on YouTube.
¿Quieren que le saque puro clip na esta sala? Watchen.
There, that's it. That's a live stream from the camera.
This sounds great, but exactly in real life it is very difficult to earn money from live streaming at the beginning, but hard work always pays off. At the end of the day, those who consistently stream videos will win this battle. Every time I watch their live streaming videos, but I don't look back to their initial phase of struggle in their life and journey on YouTube. In order to start live streaming on YouTube, first of all, we need live streaming access from YouTube. If you click the Go Live button, it will automatically direct you to request for live stream. 1 day prior request is needed for live streaming. The next day at the same time you will have an access for live streaming from your channel. If you want to show how to go live on YouTube, please comment below. I will make another. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.